CNC Factory is committed to providing you quality, world-class machinery. Sleek, durable, long-lasting. CNC Factory presents to you the Raptor XPR. This machine is designed for the entry level to the robust production facility. This machine is exclusively for Wurth customers, which is not your standard CNC, but an idea that features the latest in CNC routing and sheet processing capabilities with the smallest footprint. From nested base routing, MDF doors, to dovetailed drawers, the Raptor makes it easy with driverless controls, integrated robotics, and machine installation in under 2 hours. Welcome to the world of powerful and easy to use. With CNC driverless controls and a touchscreen virtual control center, making cabinets could not be any easier. With the Raptor's onboard cabinet software, simply touch the cabinets you want to cut and produce. The Raptor XPR is fully loaded, scalable, and vacuum equipped. It includes on-site service and never needs daily honing calibration. For more information about the Raptor XPR, contact your local Wurth representative.